In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Trello. Let's dive right in and get started on customizing your Trello boards to better fit your project needs. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Trello.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspaces. Take a moment to navigate to the workspace that contains the board you wish to customize and open that board. Now that you have your board open, it's time to focus on the specific card you want to edit. Click on the card and open up the card's detail view. This is where you can add all sorts of information and customizations to help you manage your tasks more effectively. You'll notice an option to add more features to your card. Look for the button that says Add and give it a click. This will open a list of additional features that Trello offers. From this menu, select Custom Fields. This selection allows you to create fields that are unique to your specific projects, providing a way to track information that standard Trello cards don't support. Once you've opened the Custom Fields interface, you'll see the option to either enter a new field name or choose from existing ones. This step is key to keeping your cards organized, so think about what kind of data you want to track, whether it's project phases, deadlines, or priority levels. After entering a descriptive field name, click Add to create the field. Now that your custom field is created, click on it to configure its details. This is where you can get creative and customize the field to your team's needs. For example, you might want to assign different color labels indicating priority levels, ranging from low to high. Having a color-coded system can really help team members understand the urgency of the tasks at a glance. After configuring your custom field to your satisfaction, you'll want to navigate back to the main card view. Click on the left arrow to do this. Next, you'll need to exit the Custom Fields window by clicking off of it. This will save all the changes you've just made. You also have the opportunity to further define your custom field by selecting a range from lowest to highest values, depending on the type of data it tracks. Doing this will help you maintain consistency and ensure that team members use the fields correctly. Finally, to return to your board and see your updates in action, simply close the menu. Your custom field will now be part of your card, visible to others who access the board. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized a custom field in Trello, tailoring the board to fit your team's specific needs.